In Urban Era here with some lovely birthday magic here. This box arrived in the mail from Burbank's House of Hobbies after I gave my parents a short list of Burkina vehicles that I would be really excited to receive for my birthday. So let's take a quick look and see what's inside. And this is a blind draw. I just turned it upside down so we don't dox ourselves with the address here. Let's see. Good. What do we have up first? There we go. Okay, as usual, I don't know what I'm receiving, so let's take a quick look. Oh, okay. Up first, we've got a beautiful orange and white Citroën DS. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then up next, we've got a Burkina Chevy C20 or C10 flatbed, which will be perfect for a lot of industrial or roadside scenes. These are such beautiful models. And of course, a Buick Caballero, a nice Spanish-themed and Spanish-named wagon for a Spanish-themed or a Mexican-themed layout. Just look at the detail. It's fantastic. And finally, a lovely mid-60s, I think a 65, Barracuda with fantastic gold racing stripe, which is guaranteed 10 more horsepower, extra fast. So the world's largest piece of production glass can be mine. So let's take a look at these posed on the layout. And here they are on the layout, sitting on the gas station's concrete pad. And what's this? A Fairbanks Morse locomotive in a very not West Coast paint scheme. What could that be? Guess you'll just have to find out in the next episode. Thanks so much to each and every one of my patrons. You're what keep me going. This has been an Urban Era. Until next time.